So we're looking at my 1978 John Deere 214, getting it ready for the winter. And some time ago, the back window got damaged. And of course, you're not going to be able to find parts for this kind of thing any longer. So let me show you what the back window started as, or at least what it became and how it was built. Okay, so this is what the back window was. It's a metal frame, and it had, clear vinyl on the back. And what you would do with it, it would just sit on this. There's a lip here. Well, it's gonna work. Try it again. And then up top, you had these clips. Snap them up. This is proving difficult to do with one hand. So anyway, you get the idea. Then it would sit down here in the groove, and it would be snapped in place up like so. But what I did to replace that window is right here. This is a piece of polycarbonate. This is not plexiglass. It's a little more expensive polycarbonate. If you can believe the claims, it's 250 times stronger than glass. So, it's flexible. It's like plexiglass. And what I did is I cut it to size, just using my table saw, very slowly. And then I put just Gorilla Tape around the edges, wrap the edges in Gorilla Tape. So, and the reason being, partly is because the polycarbonate piece is thinner than the wire, and I need something to take up a little space down here. So, top here, set that in place, and there we go. I made it a little wider than the original piece because it really didn't matter. And the piece of polycarbonate that was pre-cut at the, well, in my area it's called Menards, but home improvement store. I had to get the biggest piece I could. That would fill a whole gap. So the back of the unit is there. One step closer.